Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a review of some Aliexpress squeeze toys. So first up we have the Gudetama, I'd call it the custard stand bun. So I bought this from Aliexpress for $1.86 US. It came in that packaging. So it's really clean, which I like. It's not licensed, it's a fake. But yeah, it's quite easy to squish. And it squeezes out this yellow goo. Overall, I would say it's good for the price. And it's a good wee squeeze toy. Excuse me. Second up we have the banana mochi squeeze toy. This was bought for $3.33. It's got really adorable packaging. When I first bought this, it had a white powder sprinkled on top of it to represent icing sugar or flour, I guess. But that just comes off, it's not permanent, so that would probably be the only negative thing about this squeeze toy. It's banana scented, it smells really nice. It has a little tag here. And so it's one of those ones with the white goo inside it, which is really fun to squeeze. It's like real mochi. If you've ever had real mochi, it's very squishy and soft. So yeah, overall I'd say this is a pretty good buy as well. It does get dirty quite easily though. And so lastly we have the classic Edamame squeezy beans. You can get this for as cheap as like 70 cents on Aliexpress. It's just a classic. It's a must-have. I was lucky enough to get green, but there are different colours. Some sort of license on there. It's quite difficult to read. And so yeah, you squeeze the beans out. And on this side, he has a little face. Except the beans are quite dented, which is one downside. If you can see that. Maybe not. But they are quite like dented. Which is a shame. So I hope you guys liked my video, and be sure to check out the description for the links of where you can buy these products. Or if not the same one, then a very similar one. Thank you for watching, bye.